takes on its multi-armed form and says, now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds.